When it comes to seamlessly blending Indian craftsmanship with global aesthetics, no one does it better than Tarun Tahiliani. Known for his exquisite draping techniques, structured silhouettes, and fusion of contemporary and traditional styles, he has redefined Indian couture for the modern bride. And for 2024 to 2025, he is embracing minimalist glamour with metallic fabrics, contemporary cuts, and a mix of neutral and jewel tones. If you're a bride-to-be or a fashion enthusiast, this is a trend you don't want to miss. Let's dive deep into the world of Tarun Tahiliani, his signature style, timeless craftsmanship, and what's trending this season. The signature style of Tarun Tahiliani. Tarun Tahiliani is all about effortless elegance. His creations are a beautiful harmony of structured drapes. His signature draped saris and lehengas redefine sophistication. Fusion aesthetics, a perfect blend of Indian embroidery with Western cuts. Intricate craftsmanship, delicate embroidery, lightweight layering, and sheer elegance. Whether it's a wedding look or a high fashion statement, Tahiliani's pieces celebrate the beauty of contemporary tradition, perfect for brides who want both classic elegance and modern charm. Tarun Tahiliani Trend Forecast. The upcoming season is all about understated luxury. Say goodbye to excessive embellishments. Minimalist glamour, excessive embellishments ko alvida kahein. This season is all about clean lines, structured silhouettes, and fluid fabrics. Metallic fabrics, gold, silver, and bronze are making a bold comeback, adding a subtle sheen to traditional outfits. Contemporary cuts. Expect structured jackets with lehengas, high-slit saris, and modern corset blouses that enhance the elegance of traditional wear. Neutral and jewel tones, from soft beiges and icy grays to deep emeralds and rich sapphires. This season brings a mix of timeless colors. Tarun Tahiliani is proving that less is more. And in 2024-25, graceful, structured fashion is taking over. Why Tarun Tahiliani is a timeless icon? What makes Tarun Tahiliani stand apart? His ability to create ethereal, wearable couture that balances heritage with modernity. Every ensemble from his collection speaks of fine craftsmanship, artistic vision, and contemporary elegance. His designs don't overpower. Instead, they enhance the natural beauty of the wearer. From Bollywood stars to real-life brides, Tarun Tahiliani's creations remain a favorite for those who seek subtle grandeur with a modern twist. Tarun Tahiliani continues to set the benchmark for sophisticated yet contemporary Indian couture. With his draped elegance, metallic hues, and structured minimalism, the 2024-25 season is all about making a powerful yet refined fashion statement. Subscribe to FabFlair for more.